That's the American Airlines flight returning to Philadelphia. Boeing 787 Dreamliner. Check out the crinkle cut engine.